How to enable or disable double-click side button to open Wallet and Apple Pay. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can enable or disable double-click side button to open Apple Wallet and Apple Pay. So before we begin with that, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's begin. So the first thing that you'll need to do is open up your settings. After you open up your settings, scroll down. After you scroll down, you'll find Wallet and Apple Pay option. Select that and open it up. After you open that up, scroll down again and there you'll find double click side button. So there you can see on the description that when you double click, it gets the card and passes ready at any time. And if you want to enable or disable it, simply use the toggle button. So if you toggle it off, your double click will now be disabled. And if you toggle it on, it will again be enabled. And it's basically that simple. And that's how you do it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.